Today we're discussing the frozen set. Frozen set is a has all the properties of a set, but it cannot add or delete any item. It is ideal for key value of a dictionary. So a dictionary, key value pairs. Key value must be frozen, or it should be like tuple. It can be frozen set. Frozen set. It can be key value in a dictionary like tuple. The keyword is frozen set. Here we will see the and the other thing is common with set, but only it is not mutable. Frozen set is not mutable. Here, this is this where it's a words, it's a tuple, and we make it a frozen set with words, then we get the frozen set. And we can see it here. Words is a basically tuple, and print type of words, it is a print class tuple. Then I can create word list, and we can create frozen set. It's set frozen set words. Then it will be frozen set, and we can see the print type of F set is a class frozen set. Like you can think of the freeze or the frozen set. You cannot add to it. Another good example is vowels. Vowels is here it is a 5 vowels in English language, English alphabet, and it is a tuple. It is also you cannot change. But frozen set, tuple is ordered and frozen set is unordered. We create a frozen set and we'll give this. And we can see a set, then we can set a frozen set, this particular frozen set add with V with another terminal and frozen set and immutability. See this frozen set, we want to wish to add V, the frozen, then it will throw an error. The frozen set object has no attribute add. But in ordinary set, like I can create a set with 1, 2, 3, I can add item set 1, add 4. But frozen set, this if set.add is method is not available. And this is a set, a frozen set, whenever you copy method and it is C, it is also a frozen set. You can see it here. This is also frozen set 1, 2, 3, 4, and C is also become a frozen set. Thank you for